on the way to Nashville. Auction's at 10 o'clock. This is my first time in Nashville, so excited to be going. We'll see. I'm gonna try to give y'all some behind the scenes footage, but we'll see. You know, I don't like to take pictures of the people at the auction, so stay tuned. You're going on the journey with me to Nashville, Cashville, Tennessee. Okay. From Nashville. Auction starts at 10 o'clock. It is 8:51. So we're almost there. I'll check back in when we get closer. Okay guys, so I just got the message that the auction has been postponed until August 3rd, but I still gotta go. That's part of my job. I still have to go and announce the postponement to everybody who's out there. So it just got postponed until August 3rd, so I don't know how exciting this video is gonna be anymore, but I'll do the best that I can do. Okay. You know, this is just kind of part of the, I've talked about this before, like when you start a spreadsheet, when you keep up with auctions, make sure to note the postponement date, because auctions change. I've seen auctions postponed like 3 times. So, you know, this is what happens. You just keep up with the postponement date, so when it does actually go to auction, you'll be ready. Good today, high rise tomorrow.
I'm gonna sleep on the street when I fuck up. I should know how to pick. I'm gonna catch the rhythm while she push up against me. Ooh, she tipsy. I had enough combo for 24. I picked you from across the room. Pretty little body dancing like go-go. And you are I need to get you alone.
Okay, y'all, I found it. I found courthouse. Can y'all see? I found it. My hair's a wreck. Doesn't matter. Y'all don't care. So, here we are. I don't see anybody, you guys. I see another lady over here with a clipboard. Let's see if she does auctions too. Hold on. Okay, you guys, still here. I found the spot. I don't see anybody here. I don't think anybody's here from my auction. Maybe they all knew that it got postponed before I knew it got postponed. But I'm here. I'll still take you on a tour. See how it happens? You get all excited about a property and then you end up, it gets postponed. That's why you should probably pick like a couple of properties before you come to the auction, just in case they get postponed, so you don't have your heart set on one. Here, I'm in the shade now, so much better. There's the courthouse behind me. So when you come to Nashville, here's the courthouse. This is what it looks like, you guys. Okay, let's see what I can find out. But we're here. It got postponed until August 3rd. Today is July 6th. So it got pushed to August 3rd, which means that, you know, maybe the people are trying to do like a loan modification or trying to catch up, or they might be trying to sell the house. It could be any amount of things. They might have filed bankruptcy. They probably didn't file bankruptcy. They might be trying to do like a loan modification. So yeah, postponed until August 3rd. August 3rd. Okay, you guys, so I still have to read the postponement. Even though nobody's here, I still have to read it. That's just what I have to do. So I'm going to read the postponement, basically say that the auction's been postponed until August 3rd. Let everybody know that the auction has been postponed to August 3rd. So my life is so, I know y'all be thinking my life is so exciting, you know. Some days it is, some days it isn't. Today it looks like drove to Nashville, got postponed. Such is life, huh? Such is life. So, courthouse, so you can see where I'm walking. You can see behind me. This is behind the scenes, y'all. This is how it go down. This is how it goes down. Behind the scenes auction. But it's not very exciting, but it's okay. True life.